YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And you can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Oh baby. Here we go. This is Galayou 3 megapixel 2K wireless outdoor security camera. Sad that we had to come down to this, but definitely these help. You get an advantage over the bad guy. And definitely a nice Father's Day gift, birthday gift, anyone to protect their home, business, anything else that is valuable. Remote party, tilt, color night vision, motion detection, two-way audio, TF card storage, IP65 waterproof. And like I said, that's their website. It's Android or Apple, iOS, either or. We're going to be hooking up with the Android. So really nice. There we go. Let's see how it looks. And hopefully it's an easy one to set up. Probably not sure where I'm going to set this up at, but we'll have it, up and running and testing it out. So we get one of these. Quick, we might need that because of the QR code. Okay, I got some goodies. I got some screws. I have a lot of cameras right now, so like I said, I'm not sure. I might have to replace one, but definitely not in this video though. This is unboxing and setup. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. Not G unit, but the unit for the camera. USB plug-in, power adapter. We know how those work. That's easy. Ah, here she is. Oh, it's lightweight, so that's a good thing. And bada bing, bada boom. Let's get this rocking and rolling. Security cameras are definitely a helper. Like I said, I got the Ring doorbell and others in my house, and I never thought I would be doing security cameras because I never seen the point at first, but now I do, and they are nice to have just to feel more secured at home, especially if you go out. You can see what's going on. So that's where you gotta mount it. Pop that out. Just boom, mount it right here. So like the wall is this box, take the screws and mount it. Here's what it looks like, and then, but right now we don't need that part because we are just gonna do it indoor style. QR code back there, a really nice front, full tilt. This is where the goodies are: TF memory and reset key. Yeah, reset. That's that one. That should be good to go. Waterproof seal. So that's a good thing. Where do I plug it in at? I don't see you. We'll be right back. I gotta grab the phone and start the install. Okay, I got the phone. I found where the USB is right here. So I just gotta get to it. there. We found them. And now we got some fun. Oh yeah, here we go. We got it plugged in. Nice long cord all the way right here. And now all we gotta do is get to that slot right there. It is turned on. Oops. And if I were you guys, I would install it like this before you install it to your home, so you can make sure your Wi-Fi is working correctly. Pretty much, you know, all the troubleshooting, but it's so far working good. Watch, I jinx myself, but usually these cameras are dead on. But like I said, all you gotta do is click that link down below. It's called Wands.
I couldn't understand.
Alexa, cancel. It's called Wands View. So to search Wands View Cloud. Top one right there. There we go. It's installing. So we're gonna probably have to scan it. Manuals are really nice and easy to do in case this is your first time setting up a camera. So really nice. Tells what you got: camera, USB, power adapter, mounting, pack of screws. So like I said, we already seen that. Got open, allow. Make sure you hit the allow button. View home anywhere. Cloud storage. Let's get it started. It's gonna ask you for your email and all that good stuff. This is what it looks like when you download the app, and they'll just send you an email. So check your spam. It's gonna be in your spam unless you have. It depends how you have it set up, but it'll go to your spam mail like it did to mine, and then enter the password or the passcode, and this is what pops up. Add device. Y4. Y number 4. Where are you? Y6. Guide. Galayou. There it is. So there's two Wands View or Galayou. Hit the Galayou, and there's a Y4. And then we're gonna do Wi-Fi by QR code. Flashing. Agree. Okay. Oops. Let me switch it to my 2.4. So if you have 2.4, you're gold. No 5G. But hopefully they'll be updated in newer models.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
These are strange to do.
QR code scan is successful.
All right.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
That was loud. That was
registering on the server.
That would definitely scare some peeps. All right, it's gonna take a few seconds. Yeah. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes. There it goes. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I think everything should be safe to show right now. That's pretty cool.
The pairing is successful.
All right.
You can start using the camera now.
Maybe side house, side cam. Okay, it offers you a 30-day cloud storage. I'm going to skip that right now. Device is hooked up. Side cam is rocking. Make sure this is pointed the other way. Don't want to give myself away. Hey, that kind of rhymed. We're online. I don't know if you guys can see right there. Whoa, hello. Ah! Oh, I'm using that. Oh my god, stop. Sorry about that, guys. You could do full HD, SD, so I would click on full HD. Oh. Ooh. You can take a snapshot, record, speaker we saw. That was loud though. Hello? There we go. That sounds a little bit better. And you can do the light. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, there's a motion detected light. Oh, automatically off. I don't even know what's normal. Do about there. Preparing to play video. Intelligence, lights off, lights. Ooh, that's bright. See, it shows on camera. And once you walk past it, it'll light up, you know, for the motion. But that is bright, though. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. Galayou on Amazon. There you go. Protect your home. Protect your stuff. Take it easy out there. Be safe.